Hello everyone! Today we are going to be making Dabeli, a popular street food from Gujarat. Think of this as an Indian and dare I say a better version of the sloppy joes. Let's begin by making the spice mixture from scratch. In a pan, add some coriander seeds, cinnamon sticks, black peppercorn, dried red chilies and black cardamom and dry roast the spices for a few seconds. Then add some cumin seeds and roast until the spices turn aromatic. Then let them cool a little bit and add them to a spice grinder or a food processor and grind to a smooth powder and set it aside. Now let's make the delicious spiced potato filling. In a pan, heat some oil and add some cumin seeds, and when that splutters, add some asafoetida and the dabeli spice mix that we just prepared. Fry for a few seconds, then go in with your salt and sugar and mix well, cooking on low heat so as to not burn the spices. Then add the boiled and mashed potatoes and mix well to evenly distribute the spices. Now, this step is completely optional but highly recommended. Go in with some spicy garlic chutney and sweet tamarind dates chutney and then a cup of water. Mix well until the potato mixture is fully heated through. At this point, you can taste and adjust for seasoning. You can make this filling up to a week before. Then garnish with some freshly grated coconut, finely chopped onions, fresh pomegranate seeds, chopped cilantro or coriander leaves, a nice squeeze of fresh lemon juice, some save, and roasted peanuts. Now let's get ready to assemble the dabeli. I promise you're now only minutes away from experiencing a tantalizing amalgamation of sweet and spicy flavors. You'll need to have dinner rolls or the pav and the potato filling in addition to some extra chutneys. Slice the pav or the dinner roll in the middle, then slather it with some garlic chutney and sweet chutney. Add in the spiced potato filling, stuff as much as you desire, then seal the bun with the top half. If you want, optionally, you can also add some cheese on top of the potato filling. But wait, there's one last step. Heat some butter in a pan and add these prepared dabelis to the butter. Toast on medium heat until both sides are nice and crispy. For extra garnish, slather the sides with some save. And that's it. Delicious vegan friendly dabeli is ready to be devoured. It is honestly one of the easiest street foods you can make at home. Enjoy!